It is a proven fact that the law of attraction certainly works. There are hundreds of thousands of people who have benefited by using this law. But the problem is that each one of these people who have succeeded by using this law is coming out with their own law of attraction tips. If you are new to this law, you will be in a quandary as to which of these tips you should adopt. But there are a few steps that will definitely find a place in almost all the tips suggested by all of these people. The following are the law of attraction tips that find a place in almost all the suggestions given by every one of the successful people. You can also adopt them and achieve whatever you want in your life. The first of the law of attraction tips is that you should first decide clearly what you want. There should not be any ambiguity in this. If you do not have a specific idea about your desire, achieving your aim will be impossible. For example, if you want to have money, you should not say that you want a lot of money. You should specify the exact amount you want. Likewise, if you want a luxury car, just stating that you want a luxury car will not get you anywhere. You must mention which model of car you want, what is the color of the car and its features. If you have such specific goals, the infinite intelligence or the universe or this law of attraction will start its conspiracy to translate your wish into reality. In the same manner, you should not shift your focus away from what you want. The next of the law of attraction tips says that you will not be able to produce something out of nothing. This means that the universe and the law of attraction work on the principle of cause and effect. So, you should have a cause to get the effect. You should have a strong reason for acquiring whatever you want. Thirdly, you must take action. This action should not be sporadic. You must consistently work on a continuous basis. If you work one day and do not take action for several days, you will not be able to achieve your wish. You should work daily consistently and persistently. If one strategy does not get you the result, it is not the mistake of the law. It is your mistake. You may have chosen a strategy that is totally not relevant to your aim. You should immediately look for an alternative action. If you are focused, you will keep getting ideas. You should always be thinking how you will be able to achieve your aim. Ideas will start pouring if you change your thinking pattern like this. You need not wait for ideas. Whatever you think will lead to your aim, you should start working on it. Amazingly, you will be drawn towards the right idea and very soon, you will be able to achieve your aim. But, as already pointed out, you should take action daily. These law of attraction tips have worked for thousands of successful people and you can also see concrete results if you apply these tips scrupulously.